So now we're gonna start the room tour. So we're here now in one of the accommodations here in the island, and as you probably see in the title and the thumbnail, that it's just 600 pesos, just about. How much is it in US dollar? How much is dollar right now? Almost 60 pesos, so it's less than 12 US dollar, and this is what you get. Beachfront. Well, you can't really see the beach, but later I'll show you how near it is a beach, how nice the view is, although it's an overcast, so that's not a problem really. But this is the bed, and basic toiletries are also provided. 2 tissue, shampoo, small soap, there's a fridge, a TV, very clean, I must say, in terms of relative to the kind of room and accommodation I had experienced here on the island. There is a cabinet right here where you can store your stuff or dead bodies, but I have some of my stuff there, so secret. Here I have a mini kitchen, so there is an oven. I think it's an oven, yeah. There is a water heater right here and basic things that you need for dining in. So maybe pizza, and you can buy food outside and you can eat here. There is a sink, mirror, the back. So I just love that most of the things here, or most of the materials, is really towards wood, you know, earth toned. Not really crazy like mint green. Who does mint green? But a lot of people apparently. Toilet and shower here. Just a shower there. Hot and cold. Also a very rare thing here in the island. For the price, it's really worth it. I love the big mirror. And the view of the kitchen is just green. It's just green. So I like that it has a homey feel, air-conditioned room, beachfront, and I just finished my call. I had a meeting a while ago about a thing about my field. I cannot disclose it, but yeah, it's something I might really consider because the offer was really good. But yeah, I'll discuss that in the future if it's happening. But right now, to be honest, it's not the urgent thing. So there is a little bit of patio, and I can swing there facing the ocean. So there's also space. If you have a motorbike, it is so suitable for you. So come on, check it out. Best accommodation, beachfront. If you want to be here at the common area, and look at it, what's in front of me. Lots of papaya. I love this papaya. There's also a big one there, almost ripe. So it's a bit of a chilly night. That's just where I am. And some of the cats in here. Yes, this is how it looks like at nighttime. A bit chilly because that is already a kind of dense forest. And then the beach is where that light is. Obviously you can't see that, but yeah, perfect, peaceful place.